How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the vanish mode on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the DM section, simply select the chat where you have enabled the vanish mode. Now to turn it off, simply swipe off from the bottom of the chat screen and release the finger to turn off the vanish mode. There is another way to turn it off as well. To do that, simply tap on the username at the top, and from here you can see the option labeled disappearing messages. So simply tap on that. And if it is set to any three other options, you can simply tap on off to turn it off. And that's it. That's how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.